Remaining skilled visa nomination allocation for financial year 2023 to 2024 per state or territory. For this year's allocation, the Department of Home Affairs has reserved 30,375 positions for the skilled independent visa sub-class 189. As of December 18, 2023, 8,300 invitations have been granted for the 189 visas. Furthermore, 79 invitations were extended for the skilled work regional provisional visa sub-class 491 under the family-sponsored stream. Consistent with the recent patterns, the department has also invited applicants from the health and education sectors in this round. These are the remaining skilled visa nomination invitations as of 31st of March 2024. Due to the high demand for sub-class 190 nominations surpassing available spots, Migration Tasmania is currently only processing registrations of interest that have been assigned a gold pass. This restriction applies exclusively to sub-class 190 and will remain in effect for the remainder of the 2023 to 2024 program year. Migration Tasmania will reopen ROIs for sub-class 190 nomination to all eligible applicants when the Tasmanian Skilled Migration State Nomination Program for 2024 to 2025 begins. Currently, there are no limitations on submitting registration of interest for sub-class 491 Skilled Work Regional Visa nomination. If you wish to be considered for sub-class 491 nomination, just fill out and submit an ROI for that subclass through the application gateway. Why do you need to apply now? The goal of the Albanese administration is to decrease net overseas migration from 510,000 in the fiscal year 2022 to 2023 to 375,000 in 2023 to 2024, and subsequently to 250,000 in 2024 to 2025. 250,000 allocation will be the cap limit for the years to come, and the Australian migration program is predicted to stabilize at this lower level from that time on. Thus, if you are aspiring to apply either for a permanent or temporary Australian visa, now is the best time to do it. Waiting for another financial year will hurt your visa application as the demand will be high while the allocated places will be fewer. If you are having hard time planning your pathway to Australia, the best thing to do is ask for assistance from certified migration experts. At Think Visa, we specialize in processing visas in these complex situations. Our team of skilled migration consultants can help you get through the process. Start your migration process with people you can trust.